Hello there everyone, a warm welcome to our health and wellness channel. Today we'll be embarking on a fascinating journey into the realm of food safety, specifically focusing on the risks associated with reheating certain foods. It's a topic that's often overlooked, but incredibly vital, as it directly impacts our health and overall wellness. We'll be revealing 5 commonly reheated foods that can potentially harm you when reheated. So today, we are going to talk about why you should think twice before reheating these 5 foods. First on our list is tea. Yes, you heard it right. Reheating tea can degrade its quality. Now you might be wondering, how does reheating affect the quality of tea? When tea is reheated, the antioxidants and polyphenols it contains can degrade. These are the compounds that give tea its unique flavor and its numerous health benefits. Antioxidants help fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies, while polyphenols contribute to tea's anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. But when you reheat your tea, you risk losing these valuable compounds, which can lead to a loss of flavor and nutritional value. The health benefits associated with drinking tea, such as improved digestion, better heart health and enhanced brain function, may also be compromised. So, the next time you think of reheating your cup of tea, remember, you might be losing out on its health benefits. Next up, we have spinach, a superfood that can turn not so super when reheated. You see, when you reheat spinach, it undergoes a transformation that can be harmful to your health. The process causes the formation of nitrosamines, compounds known to be carcinogenic. This means they have the potential to cause cancer, something none of us want. In addition to this, reheating spinach also reduces its iron bioavailability. Iron is an essential nutrient that our bodies need for a variety of functions, including the production of red blood cells. When the bioavailability of iron is reduced, it means our bodies can't absorb as much of this vital nutrient, potentially leading to iron deficiency. Now imagine a healthy iron-packed leaf like spinach turning into a source of carcinogens and less iron. It sounds quite the opposite of what you'd expect from a superfood, right? That's the paradox of reheating spinach. So, it's best to enjoy your spinach fresh and avoid reheating it. Now let's move on to cooking oil, mushrooms, and rice. Each of these foods poses its own unique risks when reheated. Starting with cooking oil, it can produce harmful compounds when used more than once. These compounds, often referred to as free radicals, have been linked to a variety of health problems, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Next, we have mushrooms. These fungi are high in protein, which makes them a fertile breeding ground for bacteria. When mushrooms are reheated, especially if they've been left at room temperature for a while, they can promote bacterial growth. This, in turn, can lead to food poisoning or other gastrointestinal issues. Lastly, we turn our attention to rice. Reheated rice can be a surprising source of food poisoning. This is due to a bacteria called Bacillus cereus. This bacteria produces spores that can survive the cooking process. If the cooked rice is left standing at room temperature, these spores can multiply and produce toxins, which can cause food poisoning, even after reheating. In short, while it might seem convenient to reuse cooking oil or reheat leftover mushrooms and rice, these practices can have detrimental effects on our health. The potential risks associated with these changes include food poisoning, the production of harmful compounds, and the promotion of bacterial growth. So, it's advisable to consume these foods fresh and avoid reheating them. Now that we've discussed the risks of reheating these foods, let's summarize what we've learned today. When we reheat tea, we degrade the antioxidants and polyphenols, losing out on their health benefits. Reheating spinach can lead to the formation of carcinogenic nitrosamines and a reduction in iron bioavailability, which is not ideal for our health. Cooking oil, when reheated, can produce harmful compounds that are detrimental to our well-being. Mushrooms can promote bacterial growth when reheated, which can be a potential health hazard. Lastly, reheating rice can lead to food poisoning, a risk we certainly don't want to take. So as we can see, while it might be convenient to reheat these foods, it's not always the healthiest choice. It's not just about what we eat, but also how we eat it that matters when it comes to maintaining good health. Remember, the key to good health is not just what you eat, but also how you eat it. So think twice before reheating these foods. Stay healthy, and see you in our next video.